So if you live anywhere close to the sea, I would suggest that you service your gaming consoles at least once a year. Even if you're not living at the coast, this is what your PS5 probably starting to look like inside. There's rust all over. You can have a look at that on the CD drive. This is a big issue. The fan needs to be replaced. It's rusted all over, even on the PC board inside there. So yeah, what I would do is honestly recommend you need to do a service at least once a year if you stay at the coast. If you don't, this is what's going to happen to your gaming console. You can see the rust all over, and this rust has now gone all over. It's even on the motherboard and the main board itself. So if you live at the coast, please send your gaming consoles in once a year for a proper full service. That's the PS5's power supply, also completely rusted. You can see all the screws, how rusted they are. You seriously need to book in your gaming console once a year if you live at the coast, because this is what's going to happen. This customer is from the Margate area, and unfortunately there's a lot of damage now. I mean, even the heatsink, you can see even the heatsink starting to rust. That's not good. The PS5's already had issues with overheating problems. So WhatsApp us, get a price on our full service, yearly service, where we do a proper clean, redo the liquid metal. I don't even know what the liquid metal is going to look like underneath there. We're going to have to see. Yeah, this is quite bad. You can even see there where the screws are on the motherboard itself. It's starting to rust. So if you live at the coast, anywhere, Cape Town or Durban, we get this quite often. I just thought, let me make a video on this one quickly for you while I'm busy. I mean, the CD drive, the rust is already going onto the board of the CD drive itself. Please send your PS5s in, or any gaming console in yearly. It's a very important thing for gaming consoles. You cannot leave them for longer than a year and not do a good service, because it's going to cost you a lot of money at the end of the day. Rather do it a proper service yearly. Your gaming console will last a lot longer, and at least you won't sit with these issues. Yeah, that's all I got for today. Have a good one, guys. Send us a WhatsApp. I don't reply to the comments here. I just don't have the time. We've got so many repairs on the shelf at the moment. So yeah, please just pop us a WhatsApp and we'll get in touch with you.